gari si hatua, the vehicle is not compliant, you yourself you are not compliant.
Tondu guku kuiyurite andu aingi mararuta biashara matari marua ona ithue guides na whatever ni wega tukorwo twina the right document na mundu akorwo na file with the relevant authorities. Number 2, ageni ande na otari maiyetwo about $95,000 na darora ndirona thirikari so far taboete any action tondu kuma da report ya case ino airport I have not seen anything happening. I have forwarded the right documents na ndirona undu munene urathie na mbere, so I'm hoping this operator is going to refund all the money, acokeria andu acio mbeca ciao ciothe na oerwo ikinya riria riagiriire ria kiwatho.
Ndira support muno tondu aingi maingagirira magathi matirakeni ageni ringi wero tware mugeni hana agathi akamute ringi mugeni amuria munyama ule tagwo kana ndarahota ku explain mugeni agakorwo akimuhe max cia thi ri mugeni athi kwao bururi wa Kenya ugakorwo ndwi na andu maigirikiire.